So now I use scallions, and what I really like to do is get a little bit of a char on them, just a little more complex, you know? Char is very in, it's very cool. With that in mind, we're going to turn on our broiler on high. I just like to salt these. I'm actually not gonna oil them because we're really just looking for the char, but it's really about seeing to get some color on here. So I'm gonna just give them a little salt, and then we're gonna pop these bad boys in the oven. Okay, so the scallions are amazing. When I char scallions, the broiler works. This is what I'm using. This is what I have to work with. If you can do them over an open flame or an actual grill, they'll get like even black and really get that charred flavor, and it's like so good. But these are perfect and amazing. Now, even though they're cooked down, scallions are still a little bit on the burly side, so I'm going to just run my knife through them a little bit before putting them in the blender because I want them to blend up nicely. So we're just gonna go across them. They're very fibrous, you know? See how that, like we're leaving that in because there's some flavor and complexity in there. We worked for that.